Hey everybody, Travis here with our top 5 highlights from our July 10th comic TCG and toy auction. It is a great catalog, over 500 lots, and I'm sure the bidding action is going to be crazy because, as you all know, the market is on fire. The first 52 lots, however, of the auction, a little bit different specialty here, as we are featuring the collection of Eric Baker. He was the creative lead behind the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and Disney, and in the 1990s, he worked on all your favorite Nickelodeon live-action TV shows, making all the props. Really cool, creative guy. So my first favorite lot of the day is lot number 13 on the Frankenstein Operation game from Double Dare. Now that is a prop that can be seen throughout numerous episodes of the game, and the Frankenstein retains the heart, wrench, saw, and hammer tool that would have been pulled out of the body playing on set. And when you look through the catalog, you'll see an on-set photo that Eric took back in the day working on the show of the Frankenstein in action. Really cool piece. I mean, there's props from Legends of the Hidden Temple, Clarissa Explains It All, Allegra's Window. You definitely got to check out the collection of Nickelodeon, Harry Potter, all the cool props. Eric's collection is awesome. But anyway, moving on. Part 2 of the catalog with the comic collection. Now, this auction is featuring a single owner original collection out of New Jersey, to which we get some really great books back by CGC, which is the best book of the sale by far is lot number 136 on the Avengers 1 in a CGC 8.0. Now that is the finest copy of that book we have ever handled here at the gallery. It is one of only 49 in 8.0, and there are only 95 books higher in total of the census, and that's Avengers 1. I mean, that is a top 50 Marvel Silver Age key in my opinion. Avengers, look how big the franchise is. So that book is estimated 18 to 24,000, and I really do think we're going to see that estimate get shattered. Fingers crossed, we'll find out on auction day. Second best comic, my favorite in the sale, lot 82 on the Amazing Spider-Man 14, came in at a CGC 9.0, first appearance of the Green Goblin. I mean, how much bigger of a Spider-Man villain do you want? There are only 83 in 9.0 and 108 higher in the census total. Really low population book, and I mean, it's an iconic Silver Age key, great cover, and a 9.0 that does not come up too often. When you get to the final portion of the catalog, we have our selection of Pokemon. One of my top highlights, there are 3 sealed boxes, but my favorite out of the 3 is lot 389 on the Gym Challenge First Edition sealed booster box. Now, all the sealed Pokemon in the auction comes from an original owner collection out of Orlando, Florida. They shipped it up to us after seeing one of my appraisals online. Pretty cool story right there. That Gym Challenge box does have the Blaine's Charizard in it. That's a really hot card, so I think that's why you're going to see that box bring a premium. And the final Pokemon highlight is lot 414 on the BGS 9.5 French First Edition Charizard. Now that, I mean, oh my god, if it was a 10, but even as a 9.5, being a first edition Charizard, that is going to sell for some serious money. I mean, that's going to be easily a 4, maybe 5-digit card. We'll see where the market is on July 10th. But just think, if that was a North American Charizard, that'd be a $100,000 plus Pokemon card today. So the French, that's not a bad close second to have. So make sure to check out the catalog, bidlive.brunoandco.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Bruno & Co. for all auction updates. Make sure to check out July 10th Comic TCG and Toy Auction. Oh, that's a mouthful right there. But make sure to check out the auction action. July 10th starts at 10 a.m. Thank you.
That's BRUNEAU.